I'm working on an apron pattern and I need to turn two of these 36-inch long tubes right side out for the waistbands, and then also one that is about 28 inches long for the neckband. So I can either use a safety pin and turn it right side out, and then my thumbs usually hurt at the end, or I have in the past used this Dritz tube turner. Now you'll notice my tube is much bigger than this. I can make it work, but it's not ideal. But recently I've been seeing a bunch of people, or at least a few people, on social media, I can't remember who, but they're using a white PVC pipe, and it fits this much better, and they get it done so fast. So let's try it together. Okay, I'm at Lowe's, so let's go in and see what we can find. All right, it's gonna be in here with the PVC pipes. Hoping I don't have to buy one like that. I just need a couple inches. Are people really buying things that long and cutting them? That seems silly. Oh, it looks like one of these might work, and they're not 10 feet long. All right, let's compare it to the fabric. Nope, that one's too big, the 1 inch. Let's try the 3/4 inch. Oh, that fits perfectly. Love it. So 3/4 inch PVC pipe, that is going to be our winner. And it is only $2.63 for a 2-foot piece. So let's check out, take this home, cut it, and see how it works. All right, so we are in my creepy old basement of my 101-year-old house. And I thought I was going to have to use a miter box and a hacksaw to cut my PVC to size. But when I was looking for the miter box, I found this. A PVC cutter. I remember buying this years and years ago, like 15, 20 years ago. Didn't think I would ever find it. And lo and behold, there it was right with my miter box. So awesome. That's going to make this job that much quicker. All right. So I got my pipe cutter. I have my 3/4 inch by 24 inch pipe that will be my turner. And then I went in my craft supplies and I found a dowel rod. So this pipe needs to be shorter than the dowel rod if we're going to make it the way the Dritz ones are. So I'm going to just do a couple inches on the end. Very scientific. Put a line there. Let's see how long that is. 8.5 inches. That sounds good. And now it says I can do this with one hand. Let's see. I'm going to put it down. Almost. There we go. So now we have this and we have our dowel rod, and let's go back to some better light and give it a try. Okay, the moment of truth. So I have 3 edges sewn. So one short edge is sewn. So there's really only one way to put this over this tube, which would be from the open end, obviously. That 3/4 inch fits great. So I'm just going to pull all of that down, and then I'm going to gently take my dowel rod and push that through until it comes out this end, and then just slide the PVC pipe off. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. It's a DIY one in the perfect size. Now my dowel rod is just flat and circular on the end, so it's not getting those corners out super well. So I can come back and get this one that has that gentle point on it and use that, because we want those corners to be out nicely on the waistband straps. Gently, gently push. I think I forgot to clip them, so that's as good as that's going to be. Now I have a skinnier one for the neck strap, and that's going to be perfect for this 1/2 inch. So basically I just made my own 3/4 inch, which is a lot thicker too, but it works great. This is one of those tools that I absolutely love. Very inexpensive, huge time saver. And I'm excited to add this one to my repertoire.